Happy Monday, happy trading. Nothing I'd rather be doing than trading these markets this Monday. Let's first go for the greatest flow. Start with Citi. That's a pretty good flow. Intel. That's a pretty good one. Merck, that's pretty good. Uber, that's pretty good. Walmart, everyone had good flow this morning. Who didn't have flow? So it looks like everyone had flow for the most part. So let's just go over our trades then. So let's start with Uber. With Uber, we had a narrow state, a Fab 4. Alright, here's our Fab 4. It is a narrow state because the 20 and the 200 are close. And we got an elephant bar out of it. We waited for 1 minute, then got into it. After a minute, it went down. It kind of kicked back up on us, and then it flushed down. And we held it a little too much and then got out. In all reality, we should have sold and got out there, and we should have got out here where we got in, added right here. Really, realistically, it was close enough to the 200 that we probably didn't need to wait. We could have added, sold, added, sold. And here at this point, we have an elephant bar the other way. We could do a buy, set the stop underneath it. Do a buy, set the stop underneath it. We're getting out our first trade here, but that's because we're late. But if we could, we should set the buy underneath this. It keeps going, That's still underneath or above there. Goes up, fills this gap right here. And then we know from this close state, this could be another area of momentum. We get the sell elephant bar. We sell into it. And we get out. We were shaken out, unfortunately. But had we not have been shaken out, we get a nice move all the way down. Just keep in mind that when you get areas like this or this, that's like a new opening. So that would have been a great trade. This off the 20. I think you could trade that. That would have been enough. Let's go to the next one, Walmart. Walmart, we just saw Fab 4, narrow state, and we saw a tail bar with another tail bar, so dual tail bars. So we were thinking this is going to go down pretty far, so we sold into it right here, and it goes down a little bit, but then it just reverses all the way up, and we should have got out here, but we got out here, and I think that was our worst trade for the day, if I'm not mistaken. No, Exxon was, so I take that back. But that one was difficult to take because we saw the double tail bars. We were certain it was going to go down. So let's continue with this one. Came back again, narrow state. Off of 20. Bull 180 or bear 180. Tail bar. Nope. It kept going down. It's kind of flat now, as you can see. Can't expect too much from it. Then we got the big green bar that would make it go up. Exxon is the next one. So, like, all of them had a great opening. Wish we would have gotten this one. Narrow state. Red bar. Red bar. Red bar. Get out right there. Here's a pretty big green bar. Here's a pretty big green bar. And you have to think this was a green bar too. So green bar, green bar. It's probably going to go up. We got out. We tried to get in here with a red bar takeout. That was eliminated immediately. Then we get the bear 180. Goes nowhere. No follow through. No follow through. No follow through. 3 tries. This is an area of a new opening. Green bar right here. Green bar takeout. You could have bought that. Didn't know what to do on this bar right here. That would indicate a sell with a stop, but just didn't know what to do. Maybe you could have sold here. Bear 180. Gotta buy that. Elephant bar. Next would be Intel. Fab 4. Sell. Red bar. Red bar takeout. Sell. See if it's going to take it out again. Nope. We bought in here and got out here. Thought this was an elephant bar. Figured it wasn't at this point. Bought this one as an elephant bar. The next one got out here. Figured it wasn't. Or got out here. Figured it wasn't. Turns out that should have been taken as a bull 180. Green bar takeout. Going down. Position of power. Green bar takeout. Going down. Position of power. Green bar takeout. Going down. Position of power. Green bar takeout. Green bar takeout. Off the 20. Flat. Nothing to trade. And our last trade is Merck. So Fab 4. This indicates a move's about to happen. It's wrong color, wrong color, wrong color, wrong color, right color. It's moved all the way up through here. So do you really want to play that? I would say no. Bull 180 or bear 180. Well, the 200 is a squiggly line. Resistance, resistance. Resistance. 3 times large bars. Bull 180. I played it. Got to here, got out. Just left one lot on. It got out here. It's flat. That's a big bar. Buy into it. Nope. Did nothing. Huh. That was rough. Next, we would have done C. We didn't touch C. C. Fab 4. Narrow state. Red bar, 1 minute. Sell. get out, leave a lot, let it float back, get in again. See if you can get lower than this point. You don't. Expect it to be flat the rest, but you get an elephant off of a 20, sell that. Elephant off of a 20, you buy that. Elephant off of a 20, you sell that. This one is a restart. Basically an open again. This is 200 is a squiggly line, and you get a tail bar. And that's the end of the day.